In this video, we'll discuss split and partition methods. We have already discussed each and every methods of string manipulation. You can see in the previous videos. Now we'll discuss only split and partition method. What is a split method? Now we'll discuss. Split method splits a string and returns a list containing split strings as members. Syntax is string.split, and you can split without any argument or with an argument. We can use split with a line of text to split it into words. It has two words. One is computer and second one is science. As you can see in the output, computer comma science, and it is a list. In the second example, I love Python dot split, and it will split the line. It has three words, I comma love comma Python. It is a list with three items in it. We can call split method with argument or without argument. If we will call split method without any argument, then by default it will split the given string considering white space as a separator. Computer and a space is there and science is there, then it has two words, computer and science. If we will give white space as separator, then also we will have the same result as above. If we will provide a character or a string as an argument to split function, then it is divided into parts considering the given string or character as a separator, and separator is not included in the split strings. Here b is equal to mathematics and we are passing m as a separator, then we will have an empty string comma athe comma atics. Here m is not included in the split strings, as you can see. If we will pass t as separator, then we will have three strings. First one is ma, hema, ics. These are the three elements of the list, and t is not included in the split strings. Now we will discuss partition method. Partition method splits the string on first occurrence of substring and returns a tuple containing three items: the part before the separator itself, and the part after the separator. Syntax of partition method: string.partition within bracket separator or string. Here a is equal to I enjoy working in Python. Now we are separating by using working as separator, then we will have three strings: the part before working I enjoy, the part after working is in Python, and the separator itself is working. If we will print text, I enjoy working in Python are three elements of the tuple. In second example, we are using love as separator. The part before love is I, and after love is Python programming. The three elements of the tuple will be I, love, then Python programming. Now we will discuss the difference between split method and partition method. Split method will split the string at any occurrence of the given argument. And partition method will split the string at the first occurrence of the given argument. Split will return a list containing the split substrings. Partition method will return a tuple type containing split substrings. Split will return a list and partition will return a tuple. If split on white spaces, then the length of the list is equal to the number of words. Partition method will return a tuple of length 3 only, with the separator as the middle value of the tuple, the part before separator and the part after separator. Now we will see the working of split and partition method. We will see by using an example. A is equal to I enjoy working in Python. Then if we will split it, then it is having 5 words. A dot split will have 5 words in the list. I, enjoy, working, in, Python. If we will pass white space as a argument to the split method, then also we'll have same 5 elements in the list, as you can see. If we will pass y as a separator, then it will separate the sentence or line to 4 elements without y. The separator character y is not included in the split strings, as you can see. The given string is divided from position containing y. Now we will see partition method. The separator is enjoy. The part before enjoy is I and after enjoy is working in Python. 3 elements of the tuples are I, enjoy, working in Python. If we will change the separator to in, then you can see in working also in is there. There are 2 ins, but first occurrence is in working. The part before in is I enjoy work and after in is G in Python. The 3 elements will be I enjoy work, in, G in Python. You can give any separator to split method and according to the separator we will get the result. Hope this video is useful to you. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you very much.